welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Today I have a fusion recipe called Paneer Makhani grilled sandwich. So this is basically a Paneer Makhani and I made it into a grilled sandwich, which is really easy. So let's first see how to make Paneer Makhani. So in a oil, add saute onions, garlic and ginger. Add tomato paste and some water. Stir it well, and we're going to add sugar, chili powder and garam masala powder. Mix well, add salt and fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Stir well, add heavy whipping cream and mix really well, and at last add paneer pieces or Indian cottage cheese and mix well. So this is your Paneer Makhani is ready. You can also watch the detailed recipe on my video I uploaded a few months ago. So now to make a sandwich, I have some veggies chopped, green and yellow bell pepper and onions. So, and this is the Paneer Makhani. I'm using the leftover. So we are going to start with taking 2 bread slices. You can use white bread or whole wheat bread. Apply some butter on both, and we are going to spread the Paneer Makhani. Now when you have leftover, it kind of become thick, so it's easy to spread. So spread it evenly, and then we are going to add the veggies, the yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper. It looks very beautiful to have double colored bell peppers and onion slices. It's already looking so yummy. Now I'm going to add cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese, but you can also use American cheese. So look how beautiful the layer looks. Now I'm going to use the grilling machine. So I'm going to quickly switch the plates to the grill plates, and I'm going to let it get hot. And once it's nice and hot, I'm just going to add a spoonful of butter and put the sandwich in, and I'm going to grill for 3 to 5 minutes until it's nice and golden. Look how beautiful it looks, and the paneer sauce is already sizzling, so it's the aroma is really appetizing. So I'm just going to slice it into half. The gravy is oozing out, and look how beautiful it looks. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And it's pretty bizarre, but I'm serving this with Mexican rice that I uploaded in my last video. Don't forget to check that out too. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.